Please like, comment, share, and subscribe. Click the bell icon at the top of the page to get notified when I post a new video. Please give this video a thumbs up. Universal Channeling. Channeling the conscious universe. What Earth and humanity need: unconditional love, forgiveness and compassion. By Angel V. Ornedo Jr. June 22, 2021. Unconditional love, unconditional forgiveness and compassion, our words of wisdom equals infinite knowledge from our hearts committed to make our world prepared for a higher vibrational frequency. Aspire for a planet restored to her pristine, beautiful, and peaceful place to live with, full of joy and happiness. Get assisted, close your eyes as infinite intelligence wisdom we desired are within you. Realize unconditional love and your journey to oneness with the Creator takes a firm foothold as Source and Light beings are always around assisting us in this travel. Mother Earth sustains us, our food provider, took the burden to provide us experience, carrying us, a satellite being on her orbit, evolving at a much higher plane than humanity, a part of the Pleiades group of stars on cosmic galactic revolution of 250 million plus years. But humans allowed to live with her ended as planet destroyers, forgot our real aspiration, that our purpose is raising her to higher consciousness Gaia, Earth. Be aware, awaken, join the cluster of the collective human consciousness on the ascension lift forthcoming. Now, this moment. Let us embrace unconditional love, forgiveness and compassion, as nothing else will outlast these eternal values of wisdom at our plane, our planet. Cleanse our world of the dents and grime that we brought to her as we are mired in darkness, evolving in a state of slavery and ego caused by us and others. Forgiveness of self means forgiving the dark we created inside all of us, as what we see outside are reflections of our doing. Forgive the darkness we created as we forgive ourselves to bring forth light within outshining the dark. Realize that light and dark are aspects of Source that accelerate our transfer to higher density. Unconditional forgiveness means we forgive ourselves as the dark others, those outside of us doing harm to humanity and to Earth are our reflections. The moment we realize it, we align ourselves to a higher level of human consciousness, healing Mother Earth for what we have done to her. We attain peace and harmony through love, forgiveness and acceptance, thus realizing that we are one. The light within will shine over darkness and we will have peace within, without and throughout our world. We assist heal and restore the balance on Earth, lifting herself up to the ascension shift. Compassion is one of the finest traits of humanity. Long before we have been mucked and intruded with our DNA by bad intentioned beings, our DNA was reduced to 1, from the original 12 enslaved, and tampered with. We are all working for the restoration of our original DNA with the help and assistance of Source and all light beings around us, showering and permeating us with light and vibrational energies. Awakening and full awareness will restore our powers, and with love, forgiveness and compassion, we shall prevail. With our powers restored to our original selves, knowing who we really are, everything, we attain our purpose on Earth as we seek oneness with the Creator. On our path to a new world, we will stop harnessing mineral and fossil fuel from Earth while photon and abundant energy resources will flow from the Creator. Technology on harnessing solar energy, wind, and water are all available to us. Bellicose acts, fusion and nuclear bombs will be out of our technology. Pollution, forest destruction, and mining Earth will be no more, as abundance will flow. As humanity will live a life of abundance with God-given powers of co-creation. Compassion is an all-embracing trait of empathy, understanding, and care for our Mother Earth and humanity. Light bearers exemplify the true meaning of compassion that will assist unaware beings join the ascension shift we all have been aspiring for. We volunteered on this mission of forgetting that led to duality and separation from Creator, and being aware on who we are will endow us with peace and harmony in our world. Now, conscious, aware and awakened, we assist Earth and humanity lifted to a higher vibrational frequency. Love and Light, Angel V. Ornedo Jr. About the author. Angel teaches love, light, oneness and unity consciousness, Christ consciousness, assist with other funds to generate livelihood in industrial estates at sea/me and corporations, creating jobs, as faculty member and lecturer, share teachings at universities and colleges, boards and associations. Love teachings shared are from higher self and intuition. Link at aornedojr@gmail.com or connect at Barnes & Noble, Libris and Amazon.com. Knowing the Infinite Creator or ebooks and articles at the net.